One more time. One more time. All right, here's Matt G. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. We're just gonna, okay. We're just gonna sit here. There we go. As soon as we can go. Oh, how did the rev bomb do? How did that work? How did it work to focus on the person turning right? Are you okay? Didn't work too well, did it? Maybe don't gun it and shake your head and stare at it and then slam the brakes to dump it. Because they don't care. You're the one that crashed, buddy. You hit them. Have fun with your insurance. Have fun with your insurance. Explain it to them. Now, I don't know what Motostar's YouTube comments are, but I want.
We had right away. Coming around the corner, I can't stop while going.
You can't stop? It's all his fault. It's all his fault. So we're sitting here this whole time. We were sitting here forever. Green, go. Shaking her head. There's that brake. Look at the hand. And then we fell. Why are we going straight towards him? Watch it one more time. We're going to gun it towards him. Boink. One more time. Boink. One more time. One more time. One more time. The car jumped out in front of him. All right, no heaven for me. Side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle. Swerve, swerve, swerve. Woo!
Situation that caused
Don't turn around.
to turn back to
Don't.
aware of his mistake at all.
Don't. Stop. What are you doing? What are you doing? This is just gonna cause issues, buddy. Oh, we're blocking people now. We're blocking people. Come on. It's a dodge. He dodged you, you know. Just get out of there.
Next time, I'm gonna break the mirror.
Okay, that's gonna solve the problem. All right. So next time he's gonna punch the mirror. Let's see when he could do that. All right. Right here. So this is when he has the opportunity to do it. All right, aim for it, aim for it, aim for it, aim for it. Nope, couldn't do it. All right, so we're gonna see what happened. We're gonna see what happened. We got a construction zone. Okay, cool. We're going through an area. I did see it said like 40 miles per hour. I believe it was 40 or 50. So there was a 0 somewhere. We have the side of the vehicle already coming out right there. Side of the vehicle. All right, so we already know the pattern. We should know that once you see the side of the vehicle, it's a possible path of travel violation. So we should go into orange stage. Moving on with this. We're going pretty fast. So 50. It says 50 right there. You see it right over there. I can't see what he's doing, but we're accelerating through this area. And it's probably because, you know, all the buildings are ending here and it's big open area down there. It's a lot of fun, 3 lanes, you know, stuff like that. All right, so I understand why we're doing it, but you know what? We're still in town. We still got issues. So we're going to go ahead and watch him get super close, and he's going to sit himself up because he's like, oh, crap, I finally see something that's in my way instead of just looking at my speedometer. And then we're going to go ahead and try to do something. We have to anyways. We have to swerve right. We're not going to stop in time. This is a total stopping distance. Not enough. He's got to swerve this way. Let's see what happens. Nope, didn't do anything, just rev bombed. Okay, so we got very lucky. Let's go ahead and see it again. Got very lucky that the van, the Dodge Caravan, got out of the way. Dodge Caravan did nothing, really, other than continue, and we did nothing because we just wanted to look at our speedo and then rev bomb. So this is why being situationally aware, not being in white stage, which is completely zoned out. You could see it over there on the wall. Zoned out. We're zoned out. We're not paying attention to what we're supposed to be doing. So pay attention. Go into yellow stage. Construction zone's pretty easy. Take a look. It's all orange. Construction zone, orange cones, orange stage. Hey, that should make it easy. And then when you see something like this, don't rev bomb. Swerve to the open area. All right? Jeez.
This situation.
Throw up their arms. You'll notice that
Okay.
people who don't care about their own actions and will die fighting tooth and nail to the grave over what they do because they're that ignorant. And that's
Okay. Side of the vehicle. Okay. We got somebody passing us. He checked his mirrors. Whoa, uncommon thing. Good job swerving. You see how that was an uncommon thing? We had headlights pointing at us in our lane. Now this don't do.
Guys, always trying
What?
to be cool out on the road. I'm going to show you guys my interaction with this woman. You're probably going to assume that I'm a lot angrier than I am, but I'm definitely giving her a break on this one.
Okay. So if I normally do a 10 over 10 and I only give her a 9 over 10 anger level, it means I'm doing better.
Hey, what the heck was that?
Well, this is more like a 5 over 10. You know?
You didn't see that you were on the wrong side of the road?
She's probably confused. How many of you accidentally went down the wrong side of a one-way? So we see the uncommon thing right here. Whoa, we're headlights in our lane facing towards us. What do? We got to find a swerving path because total stopping distance doesn't matter on this one. Braking really doesn't matter on this one because if you brake, they're still coming into your lane and going to hit you. So we have to swerve. We have to get out of the way. It's a charging bull. Okay, get out of the way. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and swerve. Just enough, just barely. I would have made a little more of a space cushion on that swerve. Woo. Good job. Now we're going to go ahead and chase her down, but we don't really care about that. All right. Real quick, I'd like to say thank you to CARDO for sponsoring this channel. I'm actually using their cool little headset thingy thing so I can talk to my kids on their CARDO Pack Talks. Make sure you guys grab yourself a CARDO Pack Talk. Bold, slim, freecom, whatever you want. With the link in the description, you get a discount. Anyways, let's get back. Here we go. Here we go. Same thing. Okay, watch out for left turn. Whoa, lost a little traction on that. Drifting. All right, not much we could do there. Pretty interesting.
One of the
Angel or not.
didn't decide on the lane he wanted to use, so he chose both of them, checking the bike as vigilance.
His vigilance, okay. We're gonna rev bomb because that's what we do. And we got right next to it. So once again, everybody, when there's an issue like this, when you see the uncommon thing in a common situation, this is an uncommon thing. When you see that, just kind of stay away from it. Don't worry too much about it. Just really don't worry too much about it. This person's just being in a weird spot. Just kind of wait until they pick a lane. Maybe use your horn in that situation, but rev bombing is no bueno. You're right, Nathan. Look, there it is. It's a yellow light. We're basically just trying to go through it, or were we focused too much on this car? Probably focused too much on this car. It could have been a red light, and we ran a red light. And then boom, this person slams the brakes, and we keep going, and we get T-boned. Pay attention to what's in front. Pay attention to what's in front. Yep, you're right. Double park. They're double parked, so they moved over. So this guy, without knowing that this person over here had a legit reason to do that, makes this person look like an idiot. So maybe think a little bit before you make an action. All right, the electric boy. Yeah, boy. All right, we're going through here. Watch out, side of the bicyclist, maybe? Nope. Okay, good. Sun in the eyes a little bit. Whoa! Ooh, it's beautiful out there, though, by the way. All right, so stuff like that happens. There's no reason for it to happen, but it happens. So let's not make it worse.
Did you see me?
He says he's sorry.
Really scared me. Okay.
Hey, that was a good interaction. That's what I'd do. Okay, if it scares you, go. I have no problem. I have no problem if you want to say something to the car driver. The problem I have is when you say something and it starts off as a negative tone, or they say something and it starts off as a negative tone, and then now you guys are just fighting. And it's just it's stupid. So if you go in there with a positive tone and then they come at you with a negative tone, just walk away. If you go in there with a positive tone and then they go in there with a positive tone, now communication can start happening. Just like this. But if they start off negative, walk away. If you start off negative, you're an ass. All right, let's watch what happens. So it got cut off. The driver's on the right side. You know, they're backwards over where this is at. So we're about to say something. We're pretty pissed, but let's see if we can handle it like adults.
Bro, do you see me?
So right there, there's the hand of, I'm sorry. And that is what you gotta do. If you're the one that cuts off a motorcyclist or another car driver, be like, I'm sorry. Okay, so when you see that, accept it. If you're angry, and just kind of go with it. All right, not a big deal.
Sorry, that really scared me. Okay.
And I like how it de-escalated. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.